Hey there! Today we're diving into a tech problem that some of you might have faced or are currently dealing with. So, the problem at hand is whether a Mac Pro 2019 or later can run an Apple Thunderbolt Display 2011, even though it was previously used with a Mac Pro 2013. Tricky situation, right? Right, let's talk about the solution. You should be able to use the display with the newer Mac, but there's a little catch. You'll need to get your hands on Apple's Thunderbolt 3 USB-C to Thunderbolt 2 adapter. It's your golden ticket to connecting these devices seamlessly. Problem solved, smooth sailing ahead. To wrap it up, with the Thunderbolt 3 adapter in your arsenal, you can bridge the gap and use your trusty Apple Thunderbolt display with your shiny new Mac Pro 2019 or later. It's all about adapting to the changes in technology while still holding on to the devices you love. And with that, we've cracked the case. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy tech tinkering.